Hello everyone. So today we are doing the official unboxing of the DNA Alter Mini. This is a smaller version of the DNA Alter that we've all come to name and love. It'll obviously be at a much better price point, more affordable. There's no giant wooden box. There's just a beautiful cardboard box with this particular unit in there. And again, it has all of the detail that the larger sibling has. We have that laser engraved 3D flower of life. I'm trying to make the background a little bit black so you can see it. It has the 4 DNA strands on there. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one is there. Of course, the hole where we put the beautiful ruby. These are uncut rubies. I sourced these from India. And then comes the magical part. The power crystal. We have the flower of life, a DNA strand, and the figure 8. All of these help program and keep in tune everything on this particular product. So DNA Alter has been around about 6 or 8 months now, and it was time to actually create a mini version just as beautiful as the other one, just about 6-7 times smaller, and it'll be much more affordable in a smaller package. Thanks folks. This will be coming probably in the January time frame. Thanks folks. Have an awesome holiday.